From our place in the universe, Earth is but a fragile blue marble drifting among billions of stars. It's easy to forget just how vast the cosmos is, how many worlds remain hidden in its endless expanse. And yet, our fascination with the stars has always driven us to look upward, to wonder. What lies out there? What mysteries are waiting beyond the limits of our understanding? In the constellation Lepus, there is a star, Gliese 12, which, though small and dim compared to our Sun, harbors a world that could change everything we know about our place in the universe. Gliese 12b. This exoplanet, located 40 light-years away, is a place that could hold secrets, challenges, and possibilities that we've yet to imagine. This distant world might seem unreachable, but history has shown that humanity has never been content with the status quo. We've always reached further, across oceans, to the poles, and, in recent decades, to the moon. And now, we are setting our sights beyond our solar system, dreaming of other worlds and daring to ask, could we one day stand on the surface of a planet like Gliese 12b? The first question we must face in this grand pursuit is, how? How would we make the journey to a planet so distant, tucked away in the far reaches of the galaxy? A journey that, with our current technology, seems almost impossible. At this very moment, we are confined to our own solar system, our spacecraft reaching out only as far as the outer edges of the planets, with distant probes like Voyager 1 now entering the void of interstellar space. But Gliese 12b is far, far beyond that. 40 light-years away, a light-year being the distance light travels in 1 year, about 5.88 trillion miles. Even at the speed of our fastest spacecraft, it would take tens of thousands of years to arrive. That's not a journey for a single lifetime, but a journey for generations. And yet, the human spirit, bound by our innate curiosity, will not be deterred. We look at these enormous distances and see not a barrier, but a challenge to push the boundaries of what we know, to find ways to make the impossible possible. What if, in the near future, we develop new technologies, propulsion systems that use ion drives, fusion reactors, or even the theoretical concepts of warp drives? These could open new paths to the stars. Perhaps, one day, we will discover ways to manipulate space-time itself, folding the distance between us and Gliese 12b, cutting down a journey of millennia to just a few years. Faster-than-light travel may sound like science fiction today, but it's a tantalizing possibility that could rewrite the rules of space exploration. If we master this technology, the stars will no longer be distant dreams. They'll be destinations. And so, with the right tools, humanity could embark on this incredible voyage. But even with all the advances in science and technology, we would still face profound questions about what it means to explore, to colonize, and to encounter worlds so different from our own. As we approach Gliese 12b, the world reveals itself as a super-Earth, a planet several times larger than our own, its surface shaped by powerful forces, its gravity stronger than Earth's. What would it be like to walk on such a world? With each step feeling heavier, every movement requiring more effort. The landscape would be rugged and harsh, with towering mountains, vast deserts, and jagged cliffs. The atmosphere, if it exists, might be thick and toxic, and the air could feel foreign to our lungs, thin or perhaps heavy with unfamiliar gases. The most striking feature, however, would be the red dwarf star that illuminates the planet. Its faint, reddish light would bathe everything in a soft, eerie glow, different from the golden light we are accustomed to on Earth. There would be no sunsets here, no warm golden hour. Instead, the landscape would be suffused with a light that feels older, colder, and more distant than the sun that nurtures us. Perhaps the most intriguing place on Gliese 12b is the twilight zone, the region between the side that faces the star and the side that is always in darkness. It's here that the conditions might be most favorable for life, where temperatures are more moderate and water might exist in liquid form. Could this region be home to simple organisms evolved in ways we cannot yet imagine? Life on Gliese 12b, if it exists, would likely be radically different from anything we know on Earth. Microbial, perhaps, or bioluminescent plants that have adapted to the dim light of the red dwarf. But even in this twilight zone, survival would be a daily struggle. The planet's exposure to intense solar flares and radiation from Gliese 12 would make the surface a dangerous place. Could humanity build protective habitats, domes, or underground cities, where life could thrive despite these challenges? This is where our greatest technological ingenuity would be tested. Could we create self-sustaining ecosystems, protect ourselves from solar radiation, and harness the planet's resources without disrupting the fragile balance of life that may exist here? From our vantage point, standing on the surface of Gliese 12b, the Earth would seem like a distant memory, a tiny, fragile, in the vastness of space. It's easy to forget just how small we are in the grand scheme of the universe. But in that moment, we would realize something profound. This journey, this conquest of the stars, is not just about exploration. It is about our humanity, about the deep desire to understand, to discover, and to reach beyond our known world. We are not content to stay tethered to the Earth. We seek to understand the cosmos, to uncover its secrets, and perhaps to find our place in it. As we stand on Gliese 12b, it would be impossible not to ask, what does this world tell us about the universe? Is there life out there, waiting to be discovered? And how does our own existence fit into this vast, interconnected cosmic web? These questions, ancient and profound, have driven humanity's most important quests, from the discovery of fire to the first steps on the moon. The journey to Gliese 12b would be more than just a scientific expedition. It would be a philosophical quest, a search for meaning in a universe that is, in many ways, still beyond our understanding. As we venture out into the unknown, we would not only be asking, what is out there? We would also be asking, what does it mean to be human? As we explore this distant world, we would encounter not only the challenges of survival, but also the opportunity to reflect on the vastness of our existence, to gaze out at the stars and wonder if they are as alive as we are, if they have stories of their own, waiting to be told. Gliese 12b is not just another planet in the stars. It is a mirror reflecting back at us the enormity of the universe, the fragility of life, and the boundless curiosity that drives us to reach for the stars. As we look back at Earth from this distant world, we are reminded that we are part of something far greater than ourselves. Our place in the cosmos is small, but our potential is limitless. The journey to Gliese 12b, or any distant world, is not simply about the physical distance we travel. It is about the journey we take within, about our desire to explore, to understand, and to seek our place in this vast, wondrous universe. And as we stand on the shores of this new world, we will continue to ask, what lies beyond the stars? The stars are no longer a distant dream. They are our future. And the journey to Gliese 12b is just the beginning.